Hello guys, today I want to show you something very important when you're dealing with date variables. For instance, I have this range of dates here, and whatever operation you did, in this case I just want to save that variable as date and then try to make use of it in another sheet. So if I come here and I say equal to date, it gives me, of course, in serial numbers, and this is not what I want. So there are two basic ways I'll show us how to handle these issues or this error. The first one is by ensuring that the range of cells where you've pasted are also selected to be in date format. So the moment you do that, you would see that your values have returned back to dates, which of course is easy. Otherwise, you could use the text function. If I say equal to text and I'm talking about my date column and I want it to return my results in month, day, year. Remember, you have to be careful when doing this to ensure that it is in the same format. Your data, well, even though your data was in day, month, year, it will still work out though. But I'll show you the both of them. So if I do this, it converts directly to this. So let me also let me do here for day, then month, year. So you can still works out. Okay, this time you now have day, month here. But the problem with this data here now is that Excel is not seeing it as a date, it's seeing it as a text, because that's what the text function will do. Even if I highlight all and go to my home tab and change to a date, it's still going to be a date, because dates are usually aligned to the, it's still going to be a text because dates are usually aligned to the right, but text normally on default are aligned to the left. Okay, left. Now, so what I'll do is, if I usually want to convert from a date format or from a text format to a proper format like a date or a numerical format, I usually add +0. And if I do that, I no longer have that issue anymore. I hope this helps you guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you.